there is the button for my garage door opener. No more sitting out here. This is what I was using. I had a little portable replacement one that I would use. You'd have to get it out the door. No more. Now I just push the golden button. Hello and welcome to Road Rush Nation. Hi, I'm Terry, your host here, and thank you so much for joining us on the channel. If you'd like to be part of the nation, just give us a like and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any upcoming videos. This week, what I wanted to share with you is the ultimate garage door opener. I have had this garage door opener on my previous Street Glide, and of course I had to have it on the Arctic Blast. And you're sitting there going, okay, it's a garage door opener. No, if you watch the intro, did you see that? That little button goes into where your cigarette lighter is. It's marine grade. It's made by this great guy out of Georgia, David Ledford. He will hook you up. The reason I wanted a garage door opener like this is that I didn't want anything on my bars. I've got my cup holder, I have my attachments for my cameras, and I just didn't want any more clutter up there. So that's why I didn't want the Harley one. I wanted something different. And when I found this one, I was like, this is fantastic. This is exactly what I'm looking for. You'll see that I've got the blue button. You can get it in different colors, and David can hook you up with that. He will give you his phone number, so if you run across any problems, just give him a call. He'll help you out, or ping him on Facebook and he'll respond. He is fantastic to work with. I am so glad I found him. Now you'll see some other ones that might be out there that people are pushing. David's the one that started it. He has marine grade button. You'll see, I'm going to put a video up that he has on his Facebook page that shows you him with a hose going right on it and then pushing the button in the garage door opening. You will love it. It's totally worth it. Easy install. We're going to show you how to do the install here in just a second. Basically, you're going to take the fairing off, remove that cigarette lighter, put the new push button in there, sync up the garage door opener that's attached to the wiring that he's got. It's a universal garage door opener, so basically it'll work with any garage door. If you run into problems, just like he said, give him a call and he will hook you up. You're gonna love this. I am so glad I have it. It's unique, it's fantastic. I had been using a aftermarket garage door opener that you pick them up at the hardware stores, those little universals. You'll see that I had that at the intro. I had to stick that in the little compartment on my dash. I'd always worry about it flipping out of there if the door came open or whatever. No more worries. I push a button, I open the garage door. No more problems. In fact, Aaron, after the install, he's going, you know, I really ought to think about doing that for my own. So I won't be surprised, David, if I have to order another one for Aaron's bike. But for all you Road Rush Nation folks, hang out, check this out. You'll want to see this and you'll want to get one. I'll make sure I've got David's link down in the description, and let David know that you heard about it here at Road Rush Nation. He knows that I was putting out this video, and I just want him to know that you folks also appreciated what he's got to offer. So come on and let's see how this sucker works.
Side of the fairing. There we go. Voila. All done.
The new garage door opener. This is an LED push button that's going to go into the cigarette lighter, and then you've got the garage door opener mechanism. This is what's going to replace the cigarette lighter and we're gonna put this in. So get ready to listen to Aaron cuss and scream now. Here it comes.
Shove this in place. So as long as I can line this up, there we go, and get it out. And then I have to plug this back in. You gotta line all your pins up in the end of the clip. Well, and I am gonna have to remove this. This is a little weird.
Why?
Well, ordinarily you would screw this piece off.
Right, that's what holds it in place.
Exactly. Which would imply that the only way I can do that is to try to plug this in on the inside. And that might be a real cute trick.
That might be where we had to take the other cover off.
No, I won't have to take the cover off, but I may need a much longer set of needle nose pliers to be able to accomplish that. So that's kind of what it's going to look like.
Well, it will be lit up once it's got power to it.
Yes, it will be. Now if I can actually just hold it into place and keep it centered correctly, maybe I can spin
The button?
the button around and get the thread started.
Got blue here on the light.
Program light is on.
I forget how long you have to hold this. You probably should have read the instructions.
Oh, so now, no. Okay, yeah.
Okay, now the blood.
Bingo.
Bingo! La! Door work. So, boop de boop. That was just, we just didn't push that last button. So, I'm gonna push the button here real quick. Watch. Watch the magic. Push the button. Garage door goes down. Sweet! So, I will tell you, this is the ultimate garage door opener button for your bike. I'll have a link to David down in the description. Let him know where you heard about it, because he's a great guy to work with. You want to get one of these bad boys, and he's got different colors, so if you want to match your bike, you got it.